Hello and welcome to our video tutorial. In this video, we introduce the feedback taxonomy and explain how it can be used in the planning of feedback activities as part of your course and task design. This is the main page where you can find the major guiding questions and general information about the feedback taxonomy. To see all interactive elements on a page, click on the small button in the upper right corner. On the left, there is a general information box to guide you. If you click on Notes and Contact, you will get more information and contact details. The feedback taxonomy is based on the article by Annika Brück-Hübner and Jennifer Schluer that was published in 2023. To see the references, click on the References button. Overall, there are 7 main categories which may serve as inspirations and guidance for the design of your feedback activities. Who gives feedback? Who gets feedback? For what purpose? About what? When and how often? By using what modes and media? How do they interact? The most important one is the purpose, as the learning objective is decisive for any task you create. Let's start using the interactive feedback taxonomy. You can click on one of the main categories to receive more information. For example, click on the blue button to see the details about the feedback provider. This is the main page for feedback provider. On the left side, there is an info box with a general considerations button. If you click on it, you'll see some general questions about the feedback provider. They include considerations about the number of feedback providers, their status and prior training, as well as assessment procedures. By clicking on some of the questions, you can see more detailed questions. For example, to dissolve imbalances in power between feedback providers and recipients, the following questions might encourage you to create more dialogic and collaborative feedback designs. If you click on the symbol on the left upper side, you can go back to the main page of this category. On the right side, there are subcategories for each main category. Click on one of them to receive more information. This page includes reflective questions about the teachers as the feedback provider. For example, these questions encourage you to think about the number of persons involved, the interpersonal, social and cultural skills required, and the connection to the overall learning goal. If you want to go back to the main page of this category, click on the big symbol on the left. Whenever you want to go back to the main page of the taxonomy, please click on the feedback provider symbol on the left. You can also navigate to other main categories to receive further information. Alternatively, you can use the small symbols on the right. To return to the start page, you can click on the table of contents symbol anytime. Moreover, it is possible to click through the feedback taxonomy in a chronological manner by using the back and forth symbols. Finally, to gain further tips about digital feedback methods, including video manuals and task examples, click on the Home button. That will navigate you to the digital feedback map. Enjoy exploring the feedback taxonomy and have fun creating new feedback activities together with your students. If there is anything you would like to add, feel free to contact us. The feedback taxonomy is to be understood as a dynamic resource which will be updated continuously. Thank you very much.